Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to compress a video on Android. So, first of all, go for your Google Chrome browser and tap on the search bar and search for this cadio and go for in this first link. And now you can see there is a compress option here. Tap on it. Now you can choose your file from here. Tap on files, go for your videos, choose your video, and it's uploading now. So it takes few seconds or a minute. Wait for it. It's processing now. So yeah, it's done. Then you can choose your size, basic, strong, or superb. So yeah, I'm just choose this basic and tap on compress, and it's now exporting on your Android. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can compress a video on Android. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.